Working on my 2006 V70R, changing the PCV system. There's a lot of videos online that tell you how to do it, but really the trick on this thing is getting the lower left intake bolt off. That thing is almost impossible. I've messed with it for multiple hours, tried multiple different techniques, and I think I've got it figured out. So I'm gonna switch it over here and kind of show you the trick. What a lot of the videos don't show you or tell you is that if you buy the complete PVC replacement, it comes with a bunch of hoses and the box and a whole kit. FCP Euro sells it. I bought the whole kit. A lot of times people are just changing the box or cutting open one of the fittings and reusing it. But the key is on this, I used a straight 1/4 inch drive, really long extension, and I used a straight 10 millimeter 1/4 inch socket. I've got a swivel head on, you know, the no swivel head, but the end of the extension swivels a little bit. But I struggled and struggled, and then I finally decided to take the hose, disconnect it from the thermostat housing, and this is one of the hoses that comes with your kit. So I was working around this hose for a couple of hours, then I realized it came with a kit, so I just cut it out of the way, and within a minute of doing that, I was able to get it straight on to the lower manifold bolt. You don't have to take it out all the way, you just have to loosen it up. And the trick is, if you have a shorter 10 millimeter, you'll be better off, because as soon as the bolt starts to back out, it pushes your 10 millimeter socket into the thermostat housing and doesn't let you get a good grip on the nut. So I've gone to 2 different 10 millimeters. The second one was like a millimeter shorter, but it gave me just enough to get it loose enough to take it off. Hope this helps. Good luck. This job seems to be kind of tough so far. Here's what you get in the FCP Euro kit. It's a pretty extensive kit. It includes the O-rings that go on the fuel injectors, new banjo bolts. It's got all your brass fittings. Here's the box. Here's the complete hose set. And it comes with a new intake manifold gasket. And this is the hose right here that I cut out of the way. You can see it's connected on here, and I guess you just hose clamp it on when you put it all back together. So that's it. Good luck. Another thing I can tell you now is I bought the whole kit, which includes this piece, and then it disappears in the back of the motor somewhere. From what I can tell, that back part is not going to happen on this job. So what I've done is I've just taken the hose clamp off of here. I'm going to put this new piece on with the new box. But if the front of the engine part of it looked hard, it's just as bad going to the back. So we're gonna leave that part off and just go with the front half, which seems to be what a lot of people just replace, is the box and this piece right here, because this will actually get clogged too. So I think we'll be just fine. The way you get this whole rest of this box off, if you're gonna use new parts, is bust all 3 of these Otakers off, the 2 small ones and the big one, and it'll just pull right off.